This is the Oraimo FreePods 4 earbuds. It goes for 21,900 naira or $29 and it's a smart earbud. Smart in the sense that you can control the earbuds with an app, and with the Google Find My application, you can see the location of the earbuds if it goes missing. The Oraimo FreePods 4 look good. I'm feeling the white and black theme it has going on, but is it worth buying? Do they sound great? I already know the answer to that, but for you guys, keep watching to find out. Now, before I show you what it comes with in the box, it's important to check if the Oraimo FreePods 4 you have is the original one. To do that, you will need to scratch to reveal the 16 digits, scan the QR code to go to this website, and enter the 16 digits to verify. Now, back to the box, it comes with a small but mighty welcome guide showing you how to use the earbuds, USB Type-C cable, small and large ear tips. They are antibacterial ear tips that help to reduce the risk of bacterial and fungal infections. And it also comes with a charging case that houses the earbuds. Now, speaking of the housing case, it doesn't have a low profile. Putting it next to other earbuds, it looks big. Now, the good news is it isn't heavy and it's easy to put in your pocket. Now, to reveal the earbuds, you need to slide the top upwards. The sliding mechanism feels like it's not going to last, but I have tortured it, bent it, and it hasn't broken, so that's good news. The case has a 500 mAh battery inside it, and charging it to 100% takes around 2 hours. The case can also charge the earbuds 3 times, and with that, you get around 22 to 27 hours of music playback time. Now, moving to the earbuds, one thing I like about the Oraimo FreePods 4 is how it pairs to a smartphone. It's super easy. Slide open the case, put it next to an Android smartphone, make sure that Bluetooth is on the smartphone, and it should be visible to the smartphone. Now, the earbuds have 2 microphones which we're going to test. Both pairs have a multifunction touch sensor and an ear status indicator. Now, the Oraimo FreePods 4 is a Bluetooth 5.2 device. It has a range of around 10 meters, give or take. You can expect to get around 7 to 8 hours of music playback time depending on if noise cancellation is on or off. Now, to control the earbud, you can either use the multifunction touch sensor or you can use the Oraimo Sound app. The multifunction touch sensor can control a variety of things. You can use it to increase or decrease the volume, play, pause, skip, or go to the previous music track. You can use them to answer, reject, and hang up on calls, and summon the Google Assistant. The Oraimo FreePods 4 has active noise cancellation. It also has transparency mode where you will be able to hear what's going on around you. Now, if you press the left multifunction touch sensor and you release it after hearing 2 beeps, you can turn on the active noise cancellation, turn it off, and turn on the transparency mode. For the gamers out there, the Oraimo FreePods 4 has game mode. Once activated, it reduces the lag between what's going on the game and what you hear. Now, let's talk about the Oraimo Sound app. It's useful in so many ways. You can see the battery level of the earbuds and the case. You can turn on the active noise cancellation, turn it off, or switch to transparency mode. You can adjust the equalizer, and while you're there, I would recommend you try out heavy bass. In this EQ, the bass kicks. Also from the app, you can change the earbuds control and update the firmware of the earbuds. Looking at the functions of the app, do you really need it? Well, kinda. To activate the active noise cancellation or transparency mode, you can do that right from the earbuds. But if you want to change the EQ and update the firmware of the earbuds, that can only be done using the Oraimo Sound app. Now, in a situation where the earbuds appear to your smartphone and you can't find it, you can use the Google Find My application to locate it. It only shows you the last location your earbuds was connected to your smartphone. Now, if someone takes your earbuds and pairs it with their smartphone and start using it, you won't be able to see the location. So, yeah. Now, when it comes to the comfort level, the Oraimo FreePods 4 are not bad. You can put them in your ear and use them for hours, but I notice when I have them on and I'm using them to make a phone call for a long period, my ear begins to ache me a bit. Now it's time to talk about the sound quality. The Oraimo FreePods 4 come with 10mm dynamic drivers and composite diaphragm. With the equalizer at normal, the bass it produces are not bad, the mid and high are alright, the earbuds are loud, and you're going to enjoy using it to listen to music. I mean, they're comfortable to use and they sound great for the price. Now, how does it sound compared to other earbuds? Well, if I'm to rate the Apple AirPods Pro 2 9/10 and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro 7/10, I would rate the Oraimo FreePods 4 6/10. And that's not bad because it's 21,900 naira while the others are way more expensive. For the microphones, the Oraimo FreePods 4 has 4 mic beforming array and AI deep neutral network algorithm to help reduce the surrounding noise so that the person on the other side can hear you well. So let's test them out. I'm testing out the Oraimo FreePods 4, the microphone. How does it sound?
It sounds good. I wouldn't know it was you are using an earbud. Actually, I would think you were using a normal phone. Clear.
I know, yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
That's
I can
cool.
hear you loud and clear.
That's cool.
Over 10, what would you rate it?
Over 10. Well, since I didn't know that you were using an earbuds before, I would rate it like 8. The remaining 2 is for me.
Like the weekend lecturers back in school.
Yeah. No, the audio is clear. Your voice is clear. I didn't notice anything.
Overall, the Oraimo FreePods 4 are cool, affordable earbuds. The price is right, they sound good, the mic is clear, and it has features that more expensive earbuds have. The charging case looks like a mini speaker and the sliding action of the case is unique, but it feels like it might not last. So that's my review of the Oraimo FreePods 4. Thank you for watching and I'm going to see you guys very soon. Valor Reviews, signing out.